Construction in New York City is growing at an unprecedented rate. There are buildings that are being constructed everywhere in New York, in every borough, in every portion of New York City. There's new buildings and residents going up. The reason for this is the rebound and recession of construction that occurred in 2008. In addition, there's been a major influx of new people and new residents in New York. People want to make New York their home. As a result, there's been a need for more buildings to be built for both residential and commercial use. Alarmingly, at the same time, there's been a 55% increase in the amount of serious and fatal construction accidents at construction sites. This means that construction sites are more dangerous than ever. It means that people are 5 times more likely than 5 years ago to be injured at a construction site. So the big question is why? Why have fatal and serious construction accidents skyrocketed in the last 5 years? Well, we can't blame it on technology, because at the same time that the amount of construction has skyrocketed, so has the technology in safety equipment and safety gear and safety protocols used at construction sites have also greatly been modernized. According to every federal investigation that's come out in the last 5 years, most of these fatalities and serious accidents are avoidable. The prevalence of these accidents begs the question, why is it? Why are they occurring at an alarming rate? And the answer is that the owners and the contractors that build these buildings are not using the safety equipment and using the safety protocols that are available to them. They are not providing workers with the proper safety equipment. They're not providing workers with proper safety tools. They're not providing workers with the correct tools for the jobs. They are not protecting their own workers. The reason for this is they are choosing profit through speed of construction over the safety of their own workers. If a construction worker is involved in a serious accident in which he's injured, there are many steps he should take other than seeking medical attention. Of course, medical attention should take priority, but if he can, he should immediately report the accident to anybody who is in a superior position. He should immediately report the accident. He should not be persuaded by anybody at that construction site to change any of the facts surrounding how the accident happened. Many times what happens is the managers at the construction sites and the owners will try to shape the testimony or the evidence of how the accident happened. Will try to tell the construction worker to say the accident happened in a manner in which it did not. Do not change what happened in your statement at all. Secondly, you should take pictures, if you were able to, of what caused the accident, of the surroundings of where the accident happened, and try to preserve any evidence of the accident that you can. If you have a hammer or potentially a tool that you can hold on to it, keep it. Obviously, if there are witnesses to the accident, get their contact information, get their names, and record them so that later on you can use them to refute any evidence that an owner or a contractor tries to use against you. Seek legal help. Get an attorney. The insurance companies, along with their investigators and attorneys, will immediately start working against you. They will do anything they can to limit their liability for any injury you may have suffered in that accident. So you need an attorney to immediately start working against them to make sure that they don't hide evidence, they don't shape testimony of witnesses, or they don't persuade witnesses not to testify on your behalf.